guys from This Is Pocket Learning. So this season, we're gonna discover what shapes are. So the first shape that we're gonna discover is a circle. Do you know what a circle is? A circle is a shape that does not have corners on either side. So while we're discovering what a circle is, we're gonna start making this necklace. The necklace that we're gonna make is a necklace with some Fruit Loops because they're in the shape of circle. But you can use Cheerio too. But for today, I'm going to use Fruit Loops because they're colorful. And the chain that you're going to use, or like string, that I'm going to use is a circle too. And I have this chain thing to put my Fruit Loops on. But if you don't have this chain kind of thing, you could use any type of string if you want. But for today, I'll use something like a chain. So I'm gonna open up this chain kind of thing. So now I'm gonna take my Cheerios. So these are the color that I'm gonna use for my necklace. I'm gonna do a pattern with orange, purple, yellow, and green. Those are the colors of Fruit Loops that I'm gonna use. Since these Cheerio holes are too big, it could slip out like at the end like this. So you could take some tape and tape the end like this and put it on the table. There. Now it's taped. Now I'm gonna put my orange. Then I'm gonna put my purple. Then I'm gonna put 2 yellows and 1 green. I'm gonna do that same thing again and again. Orange, purple, 2 yellows, and 1 green. So you could do any type of pattern if you want, but I chose this pattern. Now, if you think the necklace is going to be too long, you could always use any bracelets if you want.
Troy, what's your favorite type of cereal?
Sometimes the holes are too skinny that you might have to push it in hard. I'm almost done. I think this is enough. And now I'm gonna roll it back on. This is my finished necklace. But if you used a string, you could tie it up. And the pattern that I used was orange, purple, 2 yellows, and 1 green. Pattern something that repeats a thing a lot of times. So I used a Cheerio patterns with different colors. So what did we learn today? We learned what a circle is. A circle is a shape that does not have corners, neither sides. And we also learned how to make a circle necklace and what a pattern is. I hope you guys had fun, because I had fun making this snack with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.